papasa mo, ana-ana. So, magiging okay din yung ano ninyo. So, my little tip lang, Jod, if you're gonna be picking your strand is that choose a strand na you love, that you're passionate about, that you love doing kasi, or na-align sa course ninyo sa college. Okay, if you love what you're doing, guys, ganahan jud mo muskulaan na. Or maybe if aligned jud siya sa course ninyo for college, it would be a great help. And of course, you must also find your great circle of friends when entering senior high school. It would actually help you make your last 2 years of high school journey easier. Pag ano guys, kayong tumulad sa akin na ito kong school na very indecisive. So daw, saan ganon. I'm so indecisive during those days. But okay, I'm happy with my strand right now, and maybe I'm learning and practicing to be more confident. Like legit, if mag-UMS ka rin, or if you're maybe thinking of taking UMS as your strand for senior high school, pero you're scared of public speaking, don't worry guys, pasukin nyo na yan because actually, you learn a lot here and magkakaroon pa kayo ng more confidence than you have. So, yun lang guys. Thank you all. So, I hope this video helps you kahit wala nang kwenta mga ginapagsabi ko. So, bye-bye. See you on my next videos, guys.